Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to save a Canva design to a Word document. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. I'm going to open up Canva. Now this is just a random design I found in Canva, a blue and white simple business plan, print letterhead. So now I want to save this design and then open it with a Word document. Now to do that, alright, what you want to do is go ahead and click on share, and then you want to click onto more, and there's no way to export this design to Word. So if I type in Word, you can't open or export it. There's nothing comes up here. So there's a workaround. So what you need to do is go back and download this presentation to your PC, but make sure it is a PDF standard. And then once that is done, click on download, let this download. And now you want to save it to your PC. So I'm going to save it to my downloads. Alright, that's now saved to my PC. And now you want to open up any Internet Explorer or web browser. And now what you want to do is go to a website called, type in I love PDF, and then click onto I love PDF. And then you'll have a convert PDF to Word here. So go ahead and look for PDF to Word, which is right here, the fourth option. And now select that PDF you just saved from Canva. So that's my blue and white simple business plan. And now that's converting. Click on convert to Word. Now give it a few moments to load up. Now it's downloading. Alright, if I go ahead and click on this download, you can go to your downloads folder and find this. It should open up Microsoft Word. So yeah, give it a few moments to load up. Alright, there it is there, guys. I've converted that here to Word. I can't edit anything inside here because my trial of Word has run out. So, but in your case, you'll be able to edit your file here. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end of this tutorial. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.